everyone. When we prepare for IELTS kind of examinations, we often forget to look for things that we should avoid because our concentration will be on how to present things, what should be included in that kind of areas. So today, let's see some scenarios that we need to be really careful about. So let's see scenario number 1. The very first one is strictly avoid contractions. It is okay when we are having a casual conversation, but when we are going for a formal writing, it is important to go for full form. So it is important to avoid contractions like it's, shouldn't, can't. Instead of that, you can go for it is, should not, cannot, etc. like this. Now let's move on to next scenario. That is regarding the usage of very. Because in our casual conversation, we often use it is very important. It is very essential. But when we are going for a formal writing, it is important to avoid the use of very. So in the same sentence, it is very important. Either you can strike down the word very and go plainly with it is important. Or instead of that, you can use a stronger adjective. Now the third scenario is avoid using a lot. Because in our casual conversation, we often tend to say a lot of, lots of, tons of, etc. like this. But when we are writing in a formal context like IELTS essay, instead of a lot, a tons of, etc., we can use many, much of, and a number of. So that's all for today. Signing off, Aishwarya from Tiju Sir Academy.